guys, we're review Samsung washing machine.
This is Samsung digital inverter technology auto dispense washing machine. Okay, here you put the conditioner. This is softener, and detergent goes here. Those are even like Idas. This is even like Idas. There is pre-wash. Hey, why did you put detergent there? There should be a pre-wash.
Yeah.
Don't put the wrongest way. This is the power button. It's a washer dryer or something. Likely it works. See? It works good, very good, and working good, that's right. Okay, if there is no rinse and spin into this Samsung washing machine, I'll show you how to do that. To press the rinse button. Wait a minute, what? 5? Yeah, this could be a rinse cycle. Likely, let's put it to a spin cycle. Likely even. It has that bigger 9-kilogram drum. Likely has spin brake. Alright, to another way. Oh, it worked. When I turn it on, spin brakes appear. Alright, let's put it to spin. Likely it's 10 minutes. Let's put it max. It's 11 minutes. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Lisa. This is only a spin. It's not washing. It's for rinse. No, it's for spinning. Likely I should check if it's moving. It's 10 minutes and the drum is moving. Alright, let's put it to diagnostic mode. Let's push rinse and spin for diagnostic. Let's see it. What is that? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is it? It's celebration mode? What happened? Doesn't show anything? What is this? Doesn't work. What is that? Is it test mode? Likely, I don't know. Maybe a spin and dry level to work. Or water plus, or eco drum clean. Come on, please. No, diagnostic mode. This is, okay. Let's put it to wool. Let's see. Auto detergent, yes. Auto softener. Drying drum. Eco drum clean. Water plus. Stop ad. Energy saving bubble shot. This is the delay end here. It's still working. Very good. It has a very 9-kilogram drum. This is the button? What is this? This is for the. Alright, well, this is the washer dryer. It's eco bubble technology. So let's go to the dryer. Okay, my little sister, let's come to the dryer. Let's go to the dryer, Lisa. I'll tell you where's dryer. There's no somebody. Come on. To the dryer. There's dryer. Yeah. Yes, I'm serious. I'm not joking at all. Is this light? No. Is this? Yeah. This is it. This is it, Elisa. Ta-da! This is the.
Somebody don't want to see you.
Haha. This is the Beko tumble dryer, which is it's a 7 kilo. Model is DC 7011.
Dryer.
0 dryer, which that's cool. It has 2 pedals. This is the lint wrap. Here,
And this was later.
this is the power button. Do not press it because it starts. So let's close the curtain because if somebody will see us if we touched the dryer. So thanks for watching, everyone. Say
Bye-bye.